To fix a dryer that's overheating, several possible causes should be considered. The heating element assembly could be the problem, potentially producing continuous heat if it's partly shorted out, resulting in the unit becoming too hot. To diagnose this issue, a multimeter can be used to test for continuity between each terminal in the case. If continuity is found, it may indicate that the element has shorted out, in which case replacing it could be necessary. Another possible cause is a defective or clogged blower, which can be addressed by unplugging the blower, examining the blower wheel for clogs, and checking that it's firmly attached to the motor shaft. If the wheel won't spin properly or shows signs of damage, replacement may be required. Additionally, clogged ventilation could be the culprit, and to fix this, the dryer should be turned off, the hose screws removed, and the ventilation duct and exhaust hose vacuumed to remove dirt. The duct's flapper should also be checked to ensure it's functioning correctly and not blocked. By following these steps, it's possible to fix an overheating dryer.